Hello, this is a Blueberry Pie Crafter, and welcome to another mob battle. As you can see, I've had to cage off the top. Do you know why? Because Jake the dog are going up against the wizard. Dun dun dun! Yeah, this is going to be an epic battle. Alright, I'm pretty sure the wizard will win. Okay, come on. Oh my god, sorry. Okay, so it looks like oh, okay, Jake the dog has not managed to win today's mob battles. No, because this big idiot here claims he has won. Okay, I'm just gonna switch to peaceful. Yeah, and that is the end of the Jake the Dog special mob battles. I'm sorry it had to end like this, but did you see how fast it took them all out? I'm sorry, but it looks like Team Wither wins. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's mob battles, and I will be making more in the future with eGaming in. Bye!